I got an update for Jblu. It's a great plan. Again, this is a slower mover. But you got to give this if we can confirm, it could be something that takes about a week or two. It's one of those things. It's not a fast mover, but if you like this, so this is the plan here. So Jblu could be better though, but Jblu is set up to test 24 to 25. The June 16, 22 calls should be used. These are at least minimum they should be used. I'll talk about this later. Excuse me. So Jblu needs to break over 22.35. That's some good action volume. And good action volume is about 800K on a 10-minute chart. Now, if the volume isn't really there, we'll look for basing above around 22 to 22.25. As it got over to 22.35. Or the 22.35 area, and look for power towards 22 and a half. If the action doesn't look good, then we might need to wait for a break over that high. Okay, but I mean this is set up nicely. But I think we can get an earlier entry and better pricing on the options if we can get the right kind of action the way it's set up. But I like to see some power into this area. Now I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you the options on the Yahoo Finance. Alright, so here the Jblu closed at 22.08 June 16 option. Now the reason problem is that I'm going to have to show you in a different way. But you can see the 21 calls cost 1.20 to 1.35, and there's a lot of open interest here. Okay, but there wasn't much trading. But what you can see is something that there was a lot of trading engaged in the 22 calls, and I'll have to show you that here. So notice that the 21s are 120 to 135. Let me show you something here. Alright, so if I go into my charts, I got the option chain up here. Alright, so you can see that the 21s are the 21 calls, like we saw on the Yahoo, was 1.20 to 1.35. But these are the ones I'm looking at, the 22 calls. As you can see, there was 1.9K traded today in there, and they have tighter spreads. So these are the sweet spot options for this Jblu plan. So quickly back to the Yahoo Finance, you can see the 21 for the June 16, the 21 calls are 1.2 to 1.35, and there's a lot of open interest here as well. But they don't show the 22s, and that's why I went into my option charts. Alright people, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, I suggest you subscribe. See the center of Power Target Trade? It's going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. This is a great place to see a lot of the plans, the videos. Again, confirmation is key. Visit daily. Follow Power Target Trade for updates. So it gives you all the great. The banner gives you a lot of the great reminders, and again a lot of the links, YouTube, Twitter, and a website over here. So anyways, check it all out, people. Thanks for listening. Like the video.